Hospital-grade receptacles, identified by the green dot, are indeed required in various parts of a hospital, extending beyond just patient bed areas. Article 517.19 B2 of the National Electrical Code, or NEC, specifies that patient care areas must have at least one general-purpose receptacle outlet at each bed location, alcove, cubicle, or bay. Simultaneously, Article 517.18 B, which was referenced, doesn't restrict the use of hospital-grade receptacles solely to patient bed locations. It mandates that patient care areas have a minimum of one general-purpose receptacle outlet installed at each patient bed location and every alcove, cubicle, and bay. Therefore, based on these code requirements, hospital-grade receptacles are necessary in all patient care areas, which includes exam rooms. There are additional considerations to keep in mind during installation. Firstly, hospital-grade receptacles should ideally be installed at a height of 12 to 15 inches above the floor. Secondly, these receptacles should be spaced no more than 12 feet apart and located within 6 feet of each bed. Thirdly, the primary function of green dot receptacles is to reduce the potential for shock hazards. Because of this function, these receptacles are required in environments where medical equipment is in use or where patients might interact with electrical devices. Now let us delve deeper into these National Electrical Code, or NEC, articles to fully understand the requirements and implications. We will examine Article 517.19 B2 more closely. This section emphasizes the minimum requirements for receptacle outlets in patient care areas. The phrase patient care areas is crucial because it encompasses a broader range of locations than just patient bedrooms. It includes any area within a healthcare facility where patients might receive medical care. This could be anything from examination rooms and treatment areas to recovery rooms and even some waiting areas. Now we examine Article 517.18 B in more detail. This article further clarifies the type of receptacles required in these patient care areas, explicitly stating that hospital-grade receptacles are required. The wording of the article makes it clear that the requirement applies to all patient care areas, not just those specifically mentioned in Article 517.19 B2. The importance of hospital-grade receptacles lies in their enhanced safety features. These receptacles are designed and manufactured to withstand the rigors of a hospital environment where they are frequently subjected to heavy use, cleaning, and exposure to fluids. These hospital-grade receptacles are constructed with stronger materials and undergo more stringent testing than standard receptacles, ensuring a more reliable and safer electrical connection. The green dot on the receptacle serves as a visual indicator that it meets the stringent requirements for hospital-grade use. Furthermore, the spacing requirements mentioned earlier, with receptacles no more than 12 feet apart and within 6 feet of each bed, are designed to ensure that medical equipment can be easily connected to a power source without the need for extension cords, which can pose a tripping hazard and increase the risk of electrical shock. The height requirement of 12 to 15 inches above the floor is intended to make the receptacles accessible while minimizing the risk of damage from spills or cleaning activities. The overall goal of these code requirements is to create a safe and reliable electrical environment for both patients and healthcare workers. By requiring hospital-grade receptacles in all patient care areas and specifying their placement, the NEC helps to reduce the risk of electrical shock, equipment failure, and other electrical hazards. It is crucial for healthcare facilities to adhere to these requirements to ensure the safety and well-being of everyone within the facility. Now let us consider some practical implications of these requirements. When designing or renovating a healthcare facility, it is essential to carefully consider the location of all patient care areas and to ensure that each area has the required number of hospital-grade receptacles. This should be a collaborative effort involving architects, electrical engineers, and healthcare professionals. It is important to consult the latest edition of the NEC and any applicable local codes to ensure compliance with all requirements. Regular inspections and maintenance of electrical systems are also crucial to ensure that receptacles are in good working order and that any damage to or worn receptacles are replaced promptly. Staff training is also essential to ensure that healthcare workers understand the importance of using hospital-grade receptacles and following safe electrical practices. This includes proper use of medical equipment, avoiding the use of extension cords whenever possible, and reporting any electrical hazards immediately. In addition to the NEC requirements, healthcare facilities may also have their own internal policies and procedures related to electrical safety. It is important for staff to be familiar with these policies and to follow them diligently. By taking these steps, healthcare facilities can create a safer environment for patients, staff, and visitors. The use of hospital-grade receptacles in all patient care areas is just one aspect of a comprehensive electrical safety program, but it is a crucial one. Let's elaborate on the characteristics that differentiate hospital-grade receptacles from standard receptacles. Firstly, hospital-grade receptacles undergo more rigorous testing to ensure their durability and reliability. This testing includes checks for grounding reliability, terminal strength, and resistance to leakage current. Secondly, these receptacles are constructed with higher quality materials, such as heavier gauge contacts and more robust housings, to withstand the demanding conditions of a healthcare environment. Thirdly, hospital-grade receptacles are designed to maintain a secure electrical connection even under repeated use and vibration. This is essential for ensuring that medical equipment continues to function properly and safely. Fourthly, these receptacles are typically equipped with a locking mechanism to prevent accidental disconnection of plugs. This is particularly important for critical medical equipment that must remain powered at all times. Fifthly, the grounding system in hospital-grade receptacles is designed to minimize the risk of electrical shock. This includes features such as redundant grounding paths and low-impedance grounding connections. In summary, hospital-grade receptacles are engineered to provide a higher level of safety and reliability than standard receptacles. They are an essential component of a safe electrical system in any healthcare facility. Understanding the nuances of the NEC requirements and the characteristics of hospital-grade receptacles is crucial for anyone involved in the design, installation, or maintenance of electrical systems in healthcare facilities. By adhering to these standards, we can help to create a safer environment for patients and healthcare workers alike. The NEC serves as a comprehensive guide to electrical safety, and it is important to stay up to date with the latest edition and any applicable local codes. This includes understanding the specific requirements for hospital-grade receptacles, as well as other electrical safety measures. Furthermore, ongoing training and education are essential for ensuring that healthcare workers are aware of the risks associated with electricity and how to mitigate them. This includes proper use of medical equipment, avoiding the use of extension cords whenever possible, and reporting any electrical hazards immediately. By fostering a culture of safety and promoting best practices, we can create a safer environment for everyone in the healthcare setting. The use of hospital-grade receptacles is a critical aspect of this effort, and it is important to understand their purpose and proper application. Let us now talk about scenarios where this information becomes vital. Imagine a situation where a new examination room is being constructed in a hospital. The electrical contractor, familiar with the NEC, understands that hospital-grade receptacles are required. They ensure that the receptacles installed meet the necessary specifications, including the green dot designation. During an inspection, the electrical inspector verifies that the correct receptacles have been used and that they are installed according to code. This ensures that the examination room meets the required safety standards. Or, consider a scenario where a hospital is undergoing renovations. As part of the renovation project, existing receptacles are being replaced. The hospital maintenance staff knows that hospital-grade receptacles are required in patient care areas. They make sure that the replacement receptacles are hospital-grade and that they are installed properly. This helps to maintain a safe electrical environment throughout the hospital. Finally, consider a situation where a nurse notices that a receptacle in a patient room is damaged. The nurse immediately reports the issue to the maintenance department. The maintenance staff promptly replaces the damaged receptacle with a hospital-grade receptacle. This prevents a potential electrical hazard and ensures the safety of the patient. These examples highlight the importance of understanding and adhering to the NEC requirements for hospital-grade receptacles. By doing so, we can create a safer environment for patients, healthcare workers, and visitors in healthcare facilities. The NEC is not just a set of rules, it is a guide to electrical safety that is based on years of experience and research. By following the NEC, we can minimize the risk of electrical hazards and protect the lives of people. It is the responsibility of everyone involved in the design, installation, and maintenance of electrical systems to be familiar with the NEC and to follow its requirements. This includes understanding the specific requirements for hospital-grade receptacles, as well as other electrical safety measures. Furthermore, ongoing training and education are essential for ensuring that healthcare workers are aware of the risks associated with electricity and how to mitigate them. This includes proper use of medical equipment, avoiding the use of extension cords whenever possible, and reporting any electrical hazards immediately. By fostering a culture of safety and promoting best practices, we can create a safer environment for everyone in the healthcare setting. The use of hospital-grade receptacles is a critical aspect of this effort, and it is important to understand their purpose and proper application. Now let's turn our attention to the practical considerations of selecting and installing hospital-grade receptacles. Firstly, it is important to choose receptacles from a reputable manufacturer that has a proven track record of producing high-quality products. This will help to ensure that the receptacles meet the necessary specifications and will perform reliably over time. Secondly, it is important to select receptacles that are appropriate for the specific application. This includes considering the voltage and amperage requirements of the equipment that will be plugged into the receptacles, as well as any other relevant factors. Thirdly, it is important to install the receptacles according to the manufacturer's instructions and in compliance with all applicable codes and standards. This includes ensuring that the receptacles are properly grounded and that all connections are tight and secure. Fourthly, it is important to inspect the receptacles regularly to ensure that they are in good working order. This includes checking for any signs of damage or wear, such as cracks, loose connections, or corrosion. Fifthly, it is important to replace any damaged or worn receptacles promptly. This will help to prevent electrical hazards and ensure the safety of patients and healthcare workers. By following these practical considerations, we can ensure that hospital-grade receptacles are selected, installed, and maintained properly, providing a safe and reliable electrical environment in healthcare facilities. The selection and installation of hospital-grade receptacles should be a collaborative effort involving electrical engineers, contractors, and healthcare professionals. This will help to ensure that all relevant factors are considered and that the receptacles are chosen and installed in a way that meets the needs of the facility. The NEC is a valuable resource for information on the selection, installation, and maintenance of hospital-grade receptacles. It is important to consult the NEC and any applicable local codes before beginning any electrical work. In addition to the NEC, there are other resources available that can provide guidance on the selection, installation, and maintenance of hospital-grade receptacles. These resources include manufacturers' websites, trade publications, and industry associations. By taking advantage of these resources, we can ensure that we have the knowledge and information necessary to make informed decisions about hospital-grade receptacles. Finally, let's discuss the role of training and education in promoting electrical safety in healthcare facilities. Training and education are essential for ensuring that healthcare workers are aware of the risks associated with electricity and how to mitigate them. This includes proper use of medical equipment, avoiding the use of extension cords whenever possible, and reporting any electrical hazards immediately. Training should be provided to all healthcare workers regardless of their job title or level of experience. The training should be tailored to the specific needs of the facility and should cover topics such as electrical safety basics, proper use of medical equipment, and emergency procedures. In addition to training, ongoing education is also important. This can include things like newsletters, posters, and safety briefings. The goal of ongoing education is to keep electrical safety top of mind and to reinforce the key messages that were covered in the training. By investing in training and education, healthcare facilities can create a culture of safety and promote best practices, reducing the risk of electrical hazards and protecting the lives of patients and healthcare workers. The use of hospital-grade receptacles is just one aspect of a comprehensive electrical safety program, but it is a critical one. By understanding the NEC requirements, the characteristics of hospital-grade receptacles, and the practical considerations of selection and installation, we can ensure that these receptacles are used properly and effectively. And by investing in training and education, we can empower healthcare workers to make safe choices and to protect themselves and their patients from electrical hazards. In conclusion, the requirement for hospital-grade receptacles extends beyond patient bed areas and encompasses all patient care areas, including exam rooms, according to the National Electrical Code. These specialized receptacles are designed with enhanced safety features to minimize the risk of electrical shock and ensure reliable performance in the demanding healthcare environment. Proper installation, maintenance, and ongoing staff training are crucial to maintaining a safe electrical environment and protecting patients and healthcare workers.